Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add line under the headers and footers easily. So this will be step-by-step tutorial. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word. So let me first manage or arrange that margin. Okay, then we need to enable header in order to insert the line under the headings. Okay, so go to the here in share and type header. So you can see this in action. We can see this header option. We can choose this one. In we have the many style of header you can choose, but you can choose the blank one to put a line into a header. Now header has been inserted. Now you can put your heading name. Okay, now come to the search again and search for border and shadings. Okay, so this option should become, and you need to just click on it. Now this window pop-up will be open. Now we have the three options: borders, page borders, and shading. So select this one, border, then select that. Under the setting you need to select the none. Under the style you can choose any style of line. So I choose the normal. Here you can choose that width, the line width. Okay, and that color also you can choose. If you want to change color, you can change color, but I kept okay, I just keep that black only. And here you need to select this. Okay, only bottom line. Now click OK. Okay, now this line has been generated. Okay, if you want to, and now if you have this like title, go to the select the title and go to the home and make it align center. Okay, you can make it left or right, whatever, but it's normally people take in center. Okay, you should be proper manage margin to make it very center. Okay, and if you want to edit this line, you need to just double click on heading and enable it. Now here's again, go to the border and shading. You can change the width, you can change also color, and okay. Okay, okay, let me check again. Okay, header and footer. Let me go in border and shadings. We have the customs. Okay, okay, to change color guys, you need to keep the cursor above the line. Okay, so keep the cursor here, go to the border and shading again, select the none. Okay, now change the color, and now you need to select this one. Okay, now click OK. Now you can see the line, the heading line color has been changed. Okay, now let me talk about the footer. Okay, so footer also you need to enable. You can double click on it at the footer, or you can simply go to search and type footer, and here go to the add footer, select blank one, type your title, or you can just delete that title. Now go to the border and shading, you need to follow the same process. Okay, none, automatic. You can choose color, here the width you can change and select this line, or you can also choose this line if you want double line, and click OK. And this the footer line also insert. Now you can add the title and make it center. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.